Serbian power. I woke up this morning to some snow on my window and ice. And this is the shit happening in April. Unbelievable. Good thing the CRX is all-wheel drive, eh? Look at this shit. Unbelievable. Well, let's do this. Today is CRX day again. Hopefully get the shifter installed and a couple other small things, odds and ends. We're gonna end up dropping the engine out and drop the engine out, get the wiring harness all done up by Graham, cruising right along. Alrighty, it's all the parts ready to drop out the bottom, and then we're gonna get Graham to come do some of the wiring here. Ready to roll? Serge, give your mustache a twist.
Oh yeah.
Both sides. Don't forget the other side. Yeah, there we go. All right. Well, and that's that. We got the engine out. Graham's gonna start on the harness there. Started fixing some of the abuse from over the years that people have created. Like, come on, guys, unreal. Like, I don't understand some things people do, but that's all right. We'll fix her up. Those are the mounts we made the other day I was talking about. That's where the rad sits in, those grommets, right? Those level 2 knobs. The intercooler sits there. There's the engine, cruising right along. Go! It's wiring time. It's 4:30.
Wiring time. Actually, I'm gonna go home and bake cookies with my daughter.
What?
I'm out.
What? So apparently Graham left and all the lights are off now. So we didn't get done what we were hoping to do. I guess tomorrow is another day. And this thing is gonna be awesome. See, America, they have bald eagles. And if you know Cletus McFarlane, he talks about bald eagles. Where I'm Canadian, and in Canada we have the beaver, the bald beaver. So this is gonna make a lot of beavers bald. Something like that. Well, I don't need to say what we're doing today because it's the same as yesterday, and it's a bunch of wiring. We probably got about 20 hours of wiring ahead of us on this K-Series to clean it up and tuck the harness. So, time to get moving with that. Where's Graham and these cookies? Boys, I wouldn't be over here unless it's important, but Graham?
Yeah.
I've been here for 3 hours and haven't seen any cookies yet.
Oh. I ate them all. Well, that's it for now. I guess like and subscribe to this stuff because if there's going to be a lot more of it if you guys want to see it. That's all I got to say. Thanks for watching and keep your stick on the ice.